Hello, my name is Hendra. You can call me Andra. I live in Cipongkor, precisely in the area of West Bandung. I was born on the 25th of November 2001, and now I'm 20 years old. I'm the only child. My dream is to become an entrepreneur. My hobby is flying football or flying games. Daily life. My daily life, apart from being a student, I also work to help my parents in the garden. Free time, to find my spare time, usually play games, namely Mobile Legends or fly football with my friend. Hometown, the place that I usually visit a lot is the Saguling Dam, about 30 minutes from my house. There, there is also a Malala waterfall, but it takes a long time because it is a long journey and you have to walk for a while.